and welcome back to another Foodie Friday. So today I've got some more special Kit Kats, and these are gingerbread cookie flavored, and I am so excited for these. I found these at the grocery store a few weeks ago, pre-Thanksgiving and everything, and I have exercised so much self-restraint to not open this bag in the meantime, because I know damn well if I had, the bag wouldn't have survived to make this video, so even without opening any of these yet, just the bag itself, it smells so good. So these are all individually wrapped. I don't know if they sell them in bar format too or not, but okay, so those very light caramely brown color. They actually smell kind of caramely too. Oh, that is totally gingerbread. It's a lot richer than I was expecting. They're really good. Like, that straight up has, like, ginger in it. Not just, like, the generic gingerbread flavor. I'm impressed. I'm impressed. But because they're so rich, there's also an element of it's self-limiting in that they're too rich to really eat too many of it at a time. So, you know, win-win. That's really tasty. Did they make these last year? I want to say they did them one other time, but I wasn't able to find them. But this time I got my hands on them, so really stoked about that. Let me have one more for good measure. And then I'll decide how I want to rate them. They don't want to open very easily, that's for sure. These are so good. They definitely get 5 out of 5 for me. These were amazing. If you like gingerbread flavored things, and if you like Kit Kats, definitely pick these up. I don't think you'll be disappointed. These are pretty tasty. Try not to chew with my mouth or talk with my mouth full. Meh. I can talk. Anyway, yeah, just a quickie little review, but I like them. I think you'll like them. May as well try them if you can find them. So anyways, that's it for this one, guys. So as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe. Hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, until next time, see ya.